Let's be real. Traveling with kids is like herding cats. If the cats were hyped on juice boxes and really wanted to touch every airport kiosk. I'm your host from Plan My Trip, and I've survived a 12-hour flight with twins, a Disney World meltdown, mine, not theirs, and a relaxing beach trip where my toddler tried to adopt a seagull. But guess what? You can travel with kids and keep your sanity. Today, I'm sharing 5 parent-tested hacks and gadgets that'll turn your summer trip from stress apocalypse to actually kind of magical. Spoiler. Yes, there's a $20 hero involved. Let's dive in. Let's name the monsters under the travel bed. First, the packing nightmare. You either overpack and can't lift your suitcase, or underpack and end up buying overpriced essentials at your hotel. Then there's entertainment. The moment those car doors close or the plane takes off, it begins. The endless "are we there yet?" The sibling squabbles. The tablet battery dying at the worst possible moment. And don't get me started on schedules. That perfect itinerary you spent weeks planning? Your kids will destroy it by hour 2. But here's what most parents don't realize. All of these struggles have simple solutions. Hack number 1, the bag-a-day packing system. Meet your new packing best friend, the bag-a-day system. Here's how it works. Grab gallon-sized Ziploc bags and pack complete outfits. Shirt, shorts, underwear, socks, even hair accessories. Label each bag with the day of the week. Each morning, your child simply grabs their designated bag. No more outfit battles or forgotten items. For dirty clothes, they go right back in the bag. At the end of the trip, all your laundry is already sorted. Bonus hack. Include a dryer sheet in each suitcase to keep everything smelling fresh, even after that inevitable juice box explosion. Hack number 2. Portable laundry solution. Now let's talk about the game changer, the Scrubba portable wash bag. This $55 miracle is essentially a mini washing machine that folds down to the size of a sandwich. Just add clothes, water, and a little detergent. Then scrub using the built-in washboard. In just 3 minutes, you can clean a full outfit. It's perfect for washing swimsuits, stain emergencies, or just extending your wardrobe. I've used mine in hotel sinks, campgrounds, even at the beach. Here's a pro tip. Wash clothes at night so they dry by morning. This one item could literally cut your packing in half. Hack number 3, entertainment trio. The genius gooseneck holder that clips to car seats, strollers, or airplane trays. Together, these create a personal entertainment station anywhere. But here's the real secret. The surprise bag system. Before your trip, visit the dollar store and wrap 10 to 15 small toys like gifts. Every hour of travel, let your child pick one to unwrap. The anticipation and novelty keep them engaged far longer than any single expensive toy. Hack number 4, the 1-1-1 schedule. Ditch the military-style itinerary and try the 1-1-1 method instead. Each day includes one must-do activity, like visiting grandma, one flexible option, maybe the pool or playground, and 1 hour of mandatory downtime. This balance prevents meltdowns while still creating special memories. For longer trips, implement a vacation from the vacation day. No activities, no schedules, just relaxing at your rental or hotel. You'll be amazed how this one change reduces stress for everyone. Hack number 5, the GPS safety net. For parents of wanderers, the Angel Sense GPS tracker is worth every penny of its $99 price tag. This durable device clips to shoes or belts and provides real-time location tracking through your phone. Set up safe zones around your hotel or resort. If your child leaves the area, you get an immediate alert. It even has a 2-way speaker so you can say, "Time to come back," when they're out of sight. Peace of mind? Priceless. Here are 3 quick but powerful extras. First, freeze Go-Gurts as ice packs. They'll thaw into snacks by lunchtime. Second, use a shower caddy to organize car snacks within reach. Third, pack a small first aid kit with children's meds, because fevers always start at 2 a.m. Oh, and one more. Always bring a power strip. Hotel rooms never have enough outlets for all your devices. If you only remember one thing from this video, make it this. The secret to happy family travel isn't perfect planning, it's flexible expectations. The best memories often come from unplanned moments. That time you got lost and found an amazing local diner? The afternoon it rained, so you had an impromptu hotel room dance party? Those become the stories you tell for years. The hacks we've shared today aren't about controlling every moment. They're about creating space for the magic to happen. You've got this, parents. With these simple strategies, your next family trip can be more enjoyable and less exhausting. Remember, the goal isn't a perfect vacation, but a meaningful one where everyone comes home feeling connected and refreshed. Even if there are meltdowns along the way, and there will be, you'll have the tools to handle them with grace. Which hack are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. For more stress-free travel tips, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Next week, we're revealing the genius road trip snack system every parent needs. You won't want to miss it. Until then, happy travels.